Hey fragrance fans, welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to unbox and review the Jeanne Arthes Rocky Man EDT 100ml and Deo 200ml gift set. An affordable, woody, aromatic fragrance from a French perfume house in Grasse, perfect for men and great for birthdays, anniversaries, or daily wear. It's got notes of lemon, basil, lily, neroli, sandalwood, cedar, and musk, promising a classic masculine vibe. Let's see if it's a budget gem. First up, the packaging. It's sleek and masculine. Shipped by Amazon UK, it arrived in a sturdy black gift box per web details. Fragrantica calls it simple yet elegant, and I agree. Gift ready, no wrapping needed. Starting with the Eau de Toilette 100ml, I spritzed it on my wrist and neck. The opening is a sharp lemon and bergamot blast with a touch of alcohol, as some Amazon reviews note, but it settles fast. Per web, 1. The heart reveals floral lily and neroli, which softens the vibe. After 30 minutes, the sandalwood, cedar, and musk base kicks in, giving a warm barbershop feel. Fragrantica users say it's got a 90s cologne charm, and I get that. It lasts about 4 to 6 hours on my skin, which is solid for the price. Around 1,200 rupees on Amazon India. Next, the deodorant spray, 200 ml. I applied it from 20 seconds as advised, per web. 5. It's got the same woody floral scent. Per Jeanne Arthes' site, it's vegan and CFC free. It kept me fresh for 5 hours during a busy day, but some web reviews say it fades faster. Still a great compliment to the EDT, perfect for layering. This set's cruelty-free and budget-friendly. Per web 2, longevity is moderate at 2.5 out of 5, but for casual wear or gifting, it's a steal. Some find the initial alcohol off-putting, but I found it smooths out. Ideal for young guys or classic scent lovers. Want more? Stay tuned for my next video with a fragrance layering guide. If you're loving this, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Tell me what you think or what's next, maybe a budget cologne roundup.